Hey, what's up guys? In this video we'll talk about the most luxurious phone that you must buy for 2020. Huawei's new Mate lineup is here and is now the tradition it brings along a luxurious Porsche Design variant. Dubbed the Porsche Design Huawei Mate 30 RS, it mirrors the specs of the Mate 30 Pro 5G. The Porsche Design Huawei Mate 30 RS also comes in the styling associate with Porsche Design Huawei phones, a leather-bound rear panel with a vertical glass strip that carries the quad camera. The color choice is narrowed down to the black or red. The two most impressive hardware features of the Porsche Design Huawei Mate 30 RS are its Kirin 990 5G chipset and its quad camera setup. The Kirin 990 5G is built on a 7nm EUV process and has a built-in 5G modem. The chip uses two high-end powered Cortex-A76 running at up to 2.86 GHz, another two Cortex-A76 at up to 2.36 GHz and another four Cortex-A55 running up to 1.95 GHz. Users will also enjoy 12 GB of RAM, 4 GB more than the Mate 30 Pro. The quad camera consists of 40MP sensor with an aperture of f1.6, which is a regular wide-angle camera from the P30 Pro, and a new 40MP with an aperture of f1.8, which is an ultra-wide camera, and an 8MP with an aperture of f2.4, which is a 3x telephoto camera, and a 3D TOF module for AR and blur effects for both photo and video. Selfies are handled by a 32MP shooter that supports 1080p video. Next to it, there is a 3D camera that enables secure face unlock. On the front, there is a 6.53-inch OLED with an extremely curved 88-degree sides. Huawei calls it the horizon display, and there is a 4500 mAh battery, supports 40W wired charging and 27W wireless charging support. Huawei is currently sidestepping giving detailed availability information on the Porsche Design Mate 30 RS, but it is confirmed that it will cost you around 2095 euros in its sole 12GB and 512GB configuration. When in the international market, it will cost you around $2200. So this is all about the Porsche Design Mate 30 RS. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.